Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a book that combines the art of intentional living with practical tips for managing your money. Living well, spending less by Ruth. This book is not just about budgeting, it is about redefining what it means to truly live well. Live well. Author takes us on a journey to simplify our lives, focus on what really matters, and create a life filled with joy and purpose. By the end of this video, you will have actionable insights to start living a more meaningful and financially stress-free life. So let's get started. Ruth begins by asking a big question. What does living well really mean? For many of us, it is easy to confuse happiness with material things. We are bombarded with messages telling us we need more clothes, more gadgets, more stuff. But author challenges us to sit back and ask, is this truly making us happy? Living well is about focusing on what brings genuine joy, our relationships, health, faith, and passions, and letting go of the things that don't add value to our lives. Let's face it, spending less is not always easy, especially in a world where everything is just a click away. Ruth gives us a reality check. Financial freedom starts with intentional spending. She suggests practical strategy like creating a budget, tracking expenses, and distinguishing between wants and needs. Her golden rule: if it does not align with your values or goals, skip it. Here is a tip from the book. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, will this bring long term happiness or is it just a quick fix? Another major theme in the book is the power of decluttering, not just your home, but your mind and calendar too. Ruth explains how physical clutter creates mental stress and how simplifying your environment can lead to a more peaceful life. Start small, tackle one drawer, one closet, or one corner at a time. And it is not just about physical stuff. Say no to activities that drain your energy and yes to the ones that align with your priorities. Gratitude is a game changer, and Truth dedicates a whole section to its importance. When we focus on what we already have, we stop feeling the need to chase more. She suggests keeping a gratitude journal to jot down things you are thankful for daily. This simple habit shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, making you more content with your life. The heart of this book is about finding contentment in simplicity. Ruth shares her journey of letting go of the pressure to keep up with others and focusing instead on what truly matters. Here is a powerful takeaway. More stuff doesn't equal more happiness. True contentment comes from nurturing relationships, creating meaningful experiences, and aligning your life with your core values. Ruth does not just talk about mindset. She gets practical with actionable money management tips. She shares ideas like meal planning to save on groceries, creating a capsule wardrobe to cut down on shopping, and setting clear financial goals. One of my favorite tips: embrace a spending freeze. Challenge yourself to go a week or even a month without buying anything unnecessary. It is amazing how much you can save. At its core, living well, spending less is about living a life of purpose. Ruth encourages us to identify our why, the things that truly drive and fulfill us, and align our actions with those priorities. When we stop chasing the wrong things, we create space for what really matters: our families, our passions, and our dreams. Living well, spending less is not just a book, it is a guide to redefining your life. It is about stepping off the hamster wheel of consumerism, and embracing a life that is simpler, happier, and more intentional. So, what is your biggest takeaway from this video, from this book? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more book summaries, and share it with someone who could use some inspiration. Remember, living well is not about having more, it is about appreciating what you already have and creating a life filled with purpose. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it meaningful, and live well.